Hello, come back again to learn one Thai word with Tuk. So today I gonna try to teach you about the direction in Thai. Okay, the direction because it may be better for you to learn a little bit, a few words because when you take a taxi or get on a motorbike or something, you can know exactly which direction that you should say. Okay, left is in English is left, but in Thai it's called ซ้าย 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 so when you ride a motorbike or you take a taxi you can go like you can say like you turn left it's like ไปซ้าย ไปซ้าย so at least they understand that okay ซ้าย it means left so and then we'll come back the next time to learn more about another direction so this one just remember left ซ้าย left ซ้าย 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 okay so I hope you remember that and see you for the next time bye bye